Hello everyone, welcome to Delicious Life. Today we will make brownie tins. Brownie tins is a crunchy brownie. In the United States, this unique take on brownie can be found in supermarkets near the cookie and snack aisle. Brownie tins is crisp and light, not too sweet either, perfect to satisfy your sweet tooth after your meal or with your caffeine. Let's begin. Udah jadi.
Wow.
Yay.
Looks good.
Cobain.
Brownie tins ya.
Brownie tins.
Enak.
Is it?
Crispy.
How is it compared to the one in the stores?
This feels a bit thicker
Thicker?
and less dense. It's good. It's less sweet than the brownie thins.
So chocolatey.
Yeah.
So crispy too. The chocolate is still like melty and stuff, which is nice.
It's good.
Alright, don't forget to try it and let me know how it goes. And see you guys next time in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.
We never say bye together. Let's
Sure.
do that. Let's do the outro again.